Hello again. I hope you are doing great. Today, I am making potatoes au gratin. I will make a cheese sauce by using American cheese and milk for this recipe. The sauce will cover sliced russet potatoes, and the au gratin will bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes. I peeled the potatoes and will slice them like you are seeing here. The potatoes will then rest in the fridge in a water bath while I make the cheese sauce. Over medium heat on the stovetop burner, I will make a roux. This is a mixture of a tablespoon of melted butter and a tablespoon of all-purpose flour that will become a thickening agent for the milk and cheese. It is important that you whisk this mixture briskly so the flour doesn't burn. Then you add 1 cup of milk. I removed the saucepan from the burner for a moment while I got the milk. I returned the roux to the burner and whisked again. Very well. The mixture is warm enough to add the yellow American cheese. I have sliced cheese here and will tear the slices into smaller pieces. These will melt better as they incorporate into the milk. The cheese sauce is now ready to pour over the sliced potatoes. I have a loaf baking dish that I have sprayed with vegetable oil. I drizzle vegetable oil over the potatoes, add salt and pepper, and toss the potatoes well. I start making layers of the sliced potatoes and then covering each layer with sliced cheese. I continue making layers until all of the potatoes are in the baking dish. I then cover the potatoes with the cheese sauce and top the potatoes with sliced cheese. The final step is to cover the au gratin with seasoned breadcrumbs. My breadcrumbs have Italian seasoning. The au gratin is then placed into the preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. I will remove the au gratin once the top is golden brown. Everything is stacked well, and I give the sauce a stir. I finish with my layers and cover everything in the sauce. Then top with cheese and into the oven. And, oh yes, the breadcrumbs are sprinkled on top. Can't forget those. Onto a cooling rack. Just listen to that bubbling cheese. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.